Ever thought about simple ways to improve your diet and meal prep routines? Here's some insight. Welcome to this short video presentation on vitamins and mental wellness. Though the connection between mental health conditions and nutrition is well documented, clients do not always get the recommended vitamins and nutrients in their daily diet. The oversight can be attributed to many factors, including lack of awareness. When there is a deficiency, clients' mental wellness and emotional regulation is jeopardized. As such, clients, like others, benefit mentally and emotionally from adding vitamins to their daily self-care routines. Having required vitamins equals optimal mental well-being. For instance, certain vitamins and nutrients are essential for neurotransmitter synthesis and reducing inflammation in the brain. Others are great for alleviating symptoms associated with anxiety and depression. In this presentation, omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, and essential minerals are highlighted as key nutrients for optimal mental health functioning. Omega-3 fatty acids are good for reducing neuroinflammation, improving psychological outcomes, reducing rates of depression and anxiety, while promoting cognitive and emotional regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids can naturally supplement traditional psychiatric treatments, offering preventative strategy against mental health disorders. B vitamins support mental health by playing a critical role in brain function, including the creation of neurotransmitters, and helping to manage stress and mood. B vitamins are essential for converting food into energy, and deficiencies in specific B vitamins like B6, B9 folate, and B12 have been linked to a higher prevalence of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Vitamin C is known to improve mood, reduce anxiety and fatigue, and enhance cognitive function. Vitamin C supports brain health, as it protects neurons, supports the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, all while reducing oxidative stress. Receiving the appropriate amount of vitamin C can enhance mood, increase mental flexibility. Further tests are needed, but vitamin C possibly offers therapeutic relief from depression and anxiety symptoms. Vitamin D supports the maintenance of brain function and the nervous system, helps to regulate mood, and alleviates depressive symptoms. Vitamin D deficiency is also linked to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Identifying and treating vitamin D deficiencies is preventative and therapeutic mental health care. Common mineral deficiencies in iron, magnesium, and zinc are often observed in persons with mental health conditions. First, an iron deficiency can affect cognitive processes. Second, magnesium is known to reduce anxiety symptoms and to support emotional stability. Third, zinc plays a part in neurotransmitter function, mood regulation, impacting depression and anxiety. Thus, identifying deficiencies in these minerals and treating them is a preventative and/or therapeutic intervention in mental health. An iron deficiency can trigger or worsen mood dysregulation, fatigue, and anxiety. There seems to be a connection between having an iron deficiency and depressive, anxious, and sleep issues. An iron deficiency can also affect the production and synthesis of neurotransmitters, like dopamine and serotonin, which are essential for mood regulation. A deficiency can disrupt emotional levels and function. Additionally, low iron can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and poor concentration, and these symptoms are also synonymous with a diagnosis for depression and anxiety. According to some studies, there seems to be a higher prevalence of anxiety disorders, depression, and sleep disorders amongst persons with an iron deficiency. And a deficiency in iron may also be connected to conditions like psychosis. persons with a magnesium deficiency are at an increased risk for depression and anxiety. They are also less likely to enjoy restful sleep. Magnesium is necessary for optimal brain function. Without enough magnesium, there is a disruption in neurotransmitter and hormonal activity, thereby causing stress. Magnesium assists with controlling stress hormones such as cortisol and neurotransmitters like GABA. GABA promotes relaxation. Therefore, a deficiency of magnesium can influence balance, stress, anxiety, and depression. Magnesium influences sleep quality. It supports muscle relaxation. A person with sufficient magnesium is less likely to experience an overstimulated nervous system or struggle to fall or to stay asleep. Zinc supports mood regulation by influencing neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. It also reduces brain inflammation while protecting brain cells. There is a connection between having a deficiency in zinc and heightened levels of depression and anxiety. It is believed that zinc improves the effectiveness of antidepressant treatments. Having a sufficient amount of zinc is correlated with improved cognitive function, memory, and emotional stability. Lastly, zinc is useful for those managing chronic stress. In this segment of the video, we will review some essential food sources of vitamins and minerals. Food sources of B vitamins include items on this list. Spend a minute reviewing the list. Food sources of vitamin C include the following items. Spend a minute reviewing these items. Food sources of vitamin D are listed here. Spend a minute reviewing the list. Here are some food sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Spend a minute reviewing them. Sometimes, it is feasible to receive sufficient vitamins and minerals if we are aware of quick, nutritious meals to include in our daily diets. Here are some fast prep meals that are filled with vitamins and minerals. Quick, nutrient-dense meals can be prepared using a combination of lean proteins, colorful vegetables, and whole grains. The first suggestion: one-bowl meals and salads. Quinoa or brown rice power bowls combine cooked quinoa or brown rice that is often available in microwavable pouches. Add a protein such as canned tuna or beans, pre-cooked chicken, or an egg. Top with plenty of vegetables. Then, drizzle with a simple dressing of olive oil and lemon or lime juice. A hearty green salad starts with leafy greens such as kale or spinach. Add a protein like chicken, fish, chickpeas, or lean beef. Include nuts like walnuts, pecans, or almonds. Then add an assortment of colorful vegetables and fruit. A no-cook chickpea and feta salad is a simple salad that can be made in minutes by combining canned chickpeas, chopped bell peppers, and feta cheese. Choose a dressing that brightens the dish. Quick skillet and single-pot meals include 1 skillet salmon and broccoli. Prepare this meal by cooking salmon fillets and broccoli florets in one pan with garlic, olive oil, and bell peppers. Prepare speedy lentil or chickpea curry by using canned beans or chickpeas, a pre-made curry sauce or vegetable broth with spices, and fresh or frozen vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and carrots. To prepare a quick stir-fry, sauté sliced chicken, beef, or tofu in a large skillet or wok. Remove the protein, then cook 2 to 3 cups of various vegetables such as broccoli, bok choy, snap peas, or carrots before returning the protein to the pan and adding a simple sauce made from soy sauce and vegetable broth. Serve with brown rice or whole wheat noodles. These breakfast options are also great as quick lunches. To prepare avocado toast with egg, just top whole grain bread with mashed avocado and an egg. Sprinkle some flax seeds or chili flakes for added flavor or flair. Fruit smoothies are great too. Prepare by blending a variety of fruits like bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and mangoes with Greek yogurt, water, juice, or almond milk. You can also add some chia or flax seeds. Here are some practical things to do if you desire to increase the vitamins and minerals in your diet. 1. Speak with your doctor, counselor, nutritionist, or dietitian to complete simple nutritional assessments to identify any deficiencies in vitamins and minerals. 2. Keep a food journal documenting your relationship with food and daily food intake. 3. Discuss dietary options that incorporate essential vitamins and minerals. 4. Adopt a self-care lifestyle that is holistic and includes balanced meals and supplements. That concludes this video presentation. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.